welcome back to my channel. This is just a very short video. Is anybody else curious to see what happens when you just put everything that you have left over in a little bowl and just smack it on a canvas? Well, let's see. I have no clue. Got a lot of different paints in here. And it's probably gonna be a really big brown mess, but... And it's just an old canvas I've got left. So it's not going to be anything pretty. Let's just put the rest on the corners. And I'm kind of wishing I used a new canvas instead of a really crappy old one. And let's just try and see what we can make. Don't even know if I've got enough paint to cover the whole thing, but we'll see. Let's try and not lose too much of that cool white that's coming up. Probably is going to be overstretched. One more corner. Almost there. And we made it. And I should have put a paper towel down because now I've got dirty hands. And this was the last on my paper roll. So what do you think? I'm really liking it actually. It's probably the best thing I did the whole day. So I've got all my sides covered. Let's just scrape it all around so it doesn't pull too much more down the canvas. And let's see how it dries. So I'll be back in a sec with the dry results. So here it is, all dry, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I'm only sad I put it on a crappy old canvas. The details on this one are just amazing. So don't throw away your paints, just make a flip cup. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!